Today I brought you how you can make your homemade citrus blue curacao syrup. Here I'm using 2 oranges for this recipe, so I'm gonna be zesting it. So try to zest it so that the white part does not go inside, because when it goes inside it makes it more bitter. So I know you've been wondering how you can make this kind of drink, the blue curacao syrup. Worry no more. I brought you this recipe and I know you will love it. So I have to zest the 2 oranges for this recipe. So here, after zesting it, I have to set it aside and then squeeze out the juice from these 2 oranges. Here I'm using 2 cups of water inside my pot. So I have to boil it and then add the zest from the orange. And I added 2 cups of sugar. So 2 cups of water to 2 cups of sugar. So I will keep stirring it until the sugar is well dissolved. So continue to stir it to avoid it burning. So at this time you can see the sugar is already melted. So I'll allow it to keep boiling. Now I added the juice from those 2 oranges. So I'll allow this to boil. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video because it's well detailed. So I added 4 drops of blue food coloring. So you can see it's already boiling. So at this time, continue to stir it from time to time. And here I'm using 1 whole lemon for this. I'm squeezing out the lemon juice. Yes, it's important to add this lemon juice to make it not to crystallize, and also it acts as 2 things. Make sure the thing does not crystallize, and also as a preservative. If you don't add the lemon juice, the sugar might crystallize later. So it's important you add this lemon juice so that it will not crystallize. So at this time it's ready. So I'll be sieving it. So this is very easy recipe. Sometimes the color might make you look like overwhelming. Oh, how is it being done? This is very easy. You can do it. At least you're sure of what is inside. So here I'll be pouring it on my bottle. So at this time, if you're still relying on store-bought, do you know you can make your own? Why don't you give it a try? And you'll be amazed of the outcome. So now it's ready. So I added the mint leaves and my sliced lemon inside a cup of ice. So this is how you can serve it. So here I added the syrup. So add as much as you want. So I'm using soda water for this recipe. So you can use Sprite, but I prefer to use soda water. So I added my soda water. and it's good to go. I hope you will try this. This is very easy recipe. Remember to like it, comment and share. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye.